Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to solve one of the issue I'm facing, that is error creating document Appwrite exception project with the requested ID could not be found. Please check the value of the X-Appwrite-Project header to ensure that the correct ID is being used. Let's see what exactly we have done. So let's fix this issue. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, the project ID. Okay, so let's check this project ID is correct or not. Now this is correct one, project ID. Okay, and here also that's 28. Okay, let's see. Now we have to run this. User unauthorized. Now the current user is not authorized to perform the requested action. Now the issue is changed. If you have this one issue, now it is resolved. In the next one, let's have deal with this another issue. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.